Okay, so here's the shrubbery. So this tree is on his property, but maybe if you could just like cut it right there or something. I don't know. It's on his property, but that ain't even a real tree. Then the shrubbery comes around. See, all this shrubbery. See, there's some little shrubbery and trees and all this shrubbery along the fence line. See, some little shrubbery. Come on along the fence line. All that shrubbery. See, all that little shrubbery. All them little trees, all that gone, all this gone. And then in the back, this is the back left. This is the two dead trees right here. That's one. And then the other one's right behind it. Right behind it. And then all this shrubbery. All that shrubbery. All this forestry. Cleared out. All this shrubbery. See, these shrubs are turning into little mini trees. All that gone. Now that's that big tree I was telling you about. Right there. I don't want that one gone yet. But all the shrubbery. Come along the fence line. And then come along. My husband cut most of this back on the fence line. But all that shrubbery. I don't even know what this is right here. I don't know. I don't know what that is, but I don't know. Max, you done got yourself all tangled up. All this shrubbery. That's my dog. My dog on my other side, but okay. Look at him. But anyway, all the shrubbery. So that's what I want done. None of these, not that one. No. That's on my side. That big one, no. But all that shrubbery, those two dead trees, and then all of this shrubbery. I want all that cleared out. Now this is going to be a cut and drop. Cut it, chop it up, and I'm going to burn it in my fire pit. You don't even have to shred it or nothing to keep my price low. Okay, so this is the first tree. It's right by my backyard. So this is tree number 1. Which tree number 1. This tree right here. Well, actually, this tree looks like it's I don't know what kind of tree this is. Like it's kind of like merging, and I don't know. But this is tree number 1. And then this is tree number 2. 1, 2. Okay. Tree number 3. Right here. Tree number 3. Okay. And tree number 4. Right here. 4. Come up. Tree number 4. So give me a quote on 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then give me a quote on tree 1 and 2 by itself, which these two probably will be later if the price is too high. But I definitely want tree number 1. This is a must, because tree number 1 is about to damage both my properties. So tree number 1 is a must. Gotta have that. And tree number 2, which is right next to it, it's not a must, but we might as well get it done. But hopefully I can afford both. But put it like this, if I can't afford both, then give me a quote for tree number 1 by itself. Then a quote for tree number 1 and 2 together. And then a quote for tree number all 4 together. Okay, thanks. Okay. Got it all cleared out. Gotta burn that. Oh, that's cleared out. Gotta burn these pals. Look at Max. Okay, Ma, so we got all the tree line, fence line is taken down. All the shrubs along the fence line. Let me show you. All that is done. So, this tree right here is the tree I'm going to get cut. And then the fence line on the other side is going to be cleared out too. Max, you so nosy. Max! Get over here. You so nosy. Hey, Ralph.
What's with the privacy picture? Looks good.
My brother, he's he needs it for his tenant or something. I guess they got kids or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he just needed a small section. Yeah, he just finishing it up. He told me he didn't get no pictures of it.
Yeah.
So I'm making a video for him.
Okay.
Come on, Max. Well, you so nosy. You gonna get tangled up. Come on, let's go. Hup, hup. Over here. I'm fooling with this damn dog. Max should be doing too much.